If you wake up tired, feeling bloated after every meal, or keeping adding weight no matter how little you eat, it is probably not your age or your hormones. It is something missing from your diet. And this could be fiber. 95% of the Kenyans, yes, even those who eat healthy, don't get enough fiber. That one missing nutrient could be silently contributing to diabetes, constipation, belly fat, heart disease, and even colon cancer. But here is the twist. You don't need imported or expensive powders to fix it. Kenya is full of affordable, powerful, fiber-rich superfoods. Let's dive into them. Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Derito, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. In this video, we are going to look at fiber-rich superfoods, which we can comfortably take as Kenyans and help improve our health in all ways. So why do most of the Kenyans lack fiber? For many reasons. So we have all shifted to processed food. Chapati with margarine, white rice, white bread, flies, all very low in fiber. Traditional high fiber meals like githeri, kude, dengu, cassava, sweet potatoes, pumpkin are eaten less often. And the implication of this is that we do not have the necessary fiber that we need to keep our gut healthy. And so these are the consequences. So most people rely on convenience over nutrition. When you rely on quick meals like mandazi, the sausages, the sodas, all these kill your gut health and spike your blood sugar without you knowing. And the result of this is that we have now more people who have constipation, they have belly bloating, they are fatigued, they have brain fog, they have gait weight, and even skin breakouts. So what does fiber do for you and why do you need it? Fiber feeds your good gut bacteria, which control your immunity and also your mood. Fiber also cleans your digestive system. It's like a broom. It washes all the waste that is not necessary and helps you to have more bowel movement. Fiber also helps reduce inflammation in your gut, thus protecting your gut, your brain, and also your heart. It has been shown that people who take plenty of fiber, they have less risk of getting heart diseases, and also they have less risk of getting diabetes, thus reducing their risk of getting strokes. So fiber is such an important aspect of your nutrition. Fiber also lowers your sugar spikes and supports weight loss. Usually when you take foods that are fiber dense, even if this is from carbohydrates, by the time the carbohydrates is broken down, remember that starch is, yes, glucose, but it's more glucose molecules stacked together. So for them to be absorbed, they have to be broken down with the fiber and then separated into the different glucose molecule. And this takes time. So this will help you to control your blood sugar progressively without encouraging the sugar spikes. And when you have the sugar spikes, these are the ones that lead you to have insulin burst. And remember, insulin is an inflammation hormone, and it helps to change glucose to fat and store it in the liver, or store it in your muscles, or store it in your belly. as visceral fat, and this now brings you the complications of obesity. Fiber also helps you be protected from colon cancer, which is a growing threat in our country. So the gut is your second brain. A healthy gut means you have a glowing skin, better mood, sharper memory, and stronger immunity. This sounds unusual, but that is the truth, that when you have good supply of fiber, then you have all these benefits that we have talked about. So what are some of the foods that are super rich in fiber in Kenya? And this is what is growing in your backyard or available in the next door market, and it is affordable. Dengu, the green grams, they are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber. They support your gut health, they are protein rich, and they are also affordable. Pair this with brown rice or the brown chapatis, and you have a perfect meal. Then you have githeri, the maize and the beans mix. Fiber from beans is resistant starch. The resistant starch from maize helps build your fiber intake. This slows your digestion, balances your blood sugar, and boosts your fullness. So add veggies like carrots, spinach, or even pumpkin leaves, and you have a complete meal. Then you have things like sweet potatoes and arrowroots. They are rich in prebiotic fiber. Prebiotic fiber means the fiber that feeds the microorganism in your gut, the normal flora, the microbiome that we are talking about. And so when you eat probiotic, they help the microbiome in your gut to thrive, and this microbiome also helps you as an individual to thrive and be healthy. So they also support the arrowroot, they support digestion, energy, and also skin health. And when you eat them boiled or roasted or deep fried, they are a good source of a good amount of fiber. And you can also eat them baked or boiled, and eat them even with their peels and peeled. This will be good for you. The green bananas or the matoke, they are high in resistant starch. They feed the healthy gut microbacteria, and they pair with the kidney beans or minced meat and vegetables, and there you have it, plenty of fiber. Then you have the managu, the terere, and the kude, the indigenous greens. They are packed with the fiber, iron, and also antioxidants, which you need to stay healthy. And they support digestion, blood building, and also they are a source of immune defense. And they also, if you combine them with onions and a touch of garlic, then you improve your fiber intake from the fermented sources of fiber. And you have things like groundnuts and peanuts. They are great in fiber, and also they are a source of healthy fats. Added these to porridge, smoothies, or snack them roasted. There you are good to go. So these superfoods that I've talked about, they don't only protect you, they don't only give you fiber, but they also protect you from diseases. From the heart, they lower your blood pressure, and they also help you control your cholesterol. The brain, they control the gut bacteria, which release the feel-good chemicals that keep your brain well-nourished. In the stomach, they help to lessen bloating and also gas and constipation. Then blood sugar control, they have stabilized energy and sugar absorption, helping to remove the sugar cravings. Then they prevent cancer like colon cancer. So your gut is not just for digestion. It is your second brain, your second immune system, and it is your skin's best friend. So nourish it by giving it more fiber. So how do you add more fiber on a daily basis to your diet? Breakfast, you can have things like sweet potatoes with tea or oats and some vegetables. Lunch, you can have githeri with managu or kude, and you are good to go. Dinner, you can have dengu with brown ugali or pumpkin leaves or any other vegetable of your choice. Then for snacks, you can have roasted groundnuts, fruits like avocado, guava, and even pawpaw. Your goal is to get a fiber supply of 25 to 35 grams daily, and this will help you to keep your gut healthy, maintain your heart health, and maintain your brain health. If you are tired, or you are feeling inflamed, or you can't lose belly fat, you may need to a detox. What that detox is, the fiber that you are not taking adequately. So, start with what you already have. The githeri, the dengu, the managu, the matoke. Your gut and your future self will thank you. So, let's follow the overall health YouTube channel, and also remember to leave a comment below this video. Which is your favorite high fiber meal? What are you doing to increase your fiber intake? Like, subscribe, and share this video with a family member or a friend who will need it to improve his gut health. Thank you.